What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, what a go on my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? You know, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, hope you don't feel no pain. If you don't feel any pain at all, remember if you do, check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, or make the doctor come to you if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We go call your sister. We go call down to your step sister-in-law. We go call everybody, your cousin, your uncle, your brother, everybody we go call. At least one of them will help you to the doctor. Wellness check. You don't do that yet? Please, may I beg you, do some wellness check, guys. And guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday to you. And remember, if you're going out to have a drink, drink, don't drive. If you're going to drink, get a driver or take the taxi. And remember, when you take the taxi, take a picture of the license plate, take a picture of the car. If you can, take a picture of the driver and send it to somebody. Don't keep it in your phone. Send it to somebody so that means them know who and where you went in a certain taxi. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, thank you very much for keep on watching the videos and for like up the videos and share the videos. Remember for watch the ads, and guys, you see me a post up my little store when me just started. Alicia Kim, give me that brain for start that, so at least me I learn something from Alicia Kim, so I saw life go. Guys, also, I want to say this to you. Guess what happened? A few of my subscribers asked me, Pana, if me have any more information, Pan, you know who? Tracy. You remember Tracy? Tracy is the lady that she made the video about her daughter not paying her no attention and all she wants is just love. Guys, I happen to have a dialogue. Hold on. Let me tell you no good. I happened to talk to Tracy yesterday. I talked to Tracy yesterday over the phone. Guys, before me say that, Miss Tracy, big up yourself, Miss Tracy. Me I call you Miss Tracy because the way how you talk to me over the phone, polite, generous, nice, wonderful, beautiful, Miss Tracy, you are a decent lady. You are a very good mother. You are also a very supported, support, uh, support kind of mother that a lot of kids out there in this world would like to have today. So, Miss Tracy, on the behalf of me, myself, and I, and my beautiful and wonderful subscribers, we are saying to you, thank you to be a mother. And thank you for just looking out and just trying to say, you just want to hear, I love you, mama. That's all you want to hear. However, from us, we are going to tell you, we all love you. We all care for you. We all understand the feelings. However, guys, when I talked to Miss Tracy yesterday, Miss Tracy filled me in on a lot of things. First, she want to say to you, thank you very much for the support that she been getting. And where she live, I can't remember exactly where she said she live. I can't remember the place exactly. So and I do not want to tell any lie, so I will leave that part out. But to all of the people who live in a Tracy area, we know who Tracy is. She say, for big up on herself. She said many thanks. And all the people over the world where call her and send them messages and send her messages. She said to tell you all, thanks very much. Also, she said to tell Jamaica Mix Up, the guy over TikTok there, whole heap of thanks. Enough thanks. My viewers and subscribers, Miss Tracy tell me, she said, Rodney, I don't need anything from my daughter. All I want is for just her to acknowledge that I am her mother. And guys, she have a story that I don't know if one of these days she'll come on my live or I'll be able to bring her on so she can really talk to you all, so you all can hear what she have to say and listen to her real person. Miss Tracy is not telling any lie and she's not causing any problem for her daughter. Miss Tracy feel left out by her own daughter, that she grow up, listen this part, that she grow up with the money that she work. She grow up as a little rich girl. She, the daughter, never out of nothing. She, the daughter, have everything at her table. Let me say this to you. The daughter used to go to school and tell people about where she lives, but she never lived there. So she been like that from school days. She been acting rich from the days of school. Nobody at school know really where she live. They didn't know that she lives in a board house. She didn't want no one to know that she lived in a board house, and it's not now. Let me tell you something that Miss Tracy shared with me. And when she shared it with me, I really realized that Miss Tracy, that you see there, I'm saying Miss Tracy because I'm a person who I show respect to people. And Miss Tracy let me know that she used to beg one guy that lived like our neighbor, Lasco. The guy, while sending her daughter to school, the guy used to give her the Lasco. When her daughter come out of school and start to teach, she asked the guy for a Lasco. The guy said no. Ask your daughter. She says she already asked her daughter. You know what the daughter tell her mother? I don't eat Lasco. I don't drink Lasco, I mean. And what I don't eat or drink, my money won't bite. That's what the mother heard from her daughter. She tell the gentleman about what the daughter said. The gentleman called the daughter and was talking to the daughter, telling the daughter, you cannot talk to your mother like that. And the daughter hang the phone up on the mother, on the man. I mean excuse. The daughter hang the phone up on him, don't want to talk to him. You see, when I make the story about police, she called police on her mother. She did call police on her mother. She called police on her mother. Not only she called police on her mother, she called the cyber bully department of Jamaica. They all went to visit her. They all went to visit her. All of them. She went to the police and reported her mother, that her mother is damaging her life on social media. So her mother have to be dealing with police for days. The daughter, Yanique Forter, of her mother going through hell with the police she want them to lock her up. Yanique Forter. I won't say anything bad about you. But always remember, for the 9 months she carry you in her belly, no charge. When she went to the hospital to have you, she could have lose her life. And when you come out and make the first cry, she was there. And when them give you, Yanique Forter, to your mother, and she hold you, no charge. When she left the hospital with you, take you home, start to clean your dirty house, no charge. When you piss up the bed, shit up the bed, no charge. Yanique Forter, when your mother grew you up, when you couldn't walk, drop, tumble, boof, all over the place, no charge. You must think about your mother. Stop think like you're rich. Because if it wasn't for your mother, you wouldn't be on her. Guys, me just have to put in my little thing. But Yanique Forter, without your mother, you would not be here on this thing what we call him Earth. And to be honest with you, after me talk to your mother, and guys, listen me good. Yanique Forter mother still have that little bar, and she still a do her farming with her goats and her things. She still a do her farming because that is what she know. That is what she know. She still a do it. Meanwhile, you a live big life. You don't care about that. Those same goats that they've been stealing her goats. Be stealing her goats. They've been stealing her goats. The same goats and the same shop that you, Yanique Forter, grew up. Yanique Forter, let me say this to you. When the police ask you about if your mother ever put you in the bar for sell, you said no. Everything the police ask you if your mother have ever done to you, you said no. So why are you doing this to your mother? Why are you doing these things to your mother? Your mother care about you, your mother love you. All your mother want is to just get an apology. And you won't give your mother an apology because you think is above your mother. You tell people that your mother dunce. You tell people that your mother dunce. And that woman and your why are you doing those things? Do you think those things let you feel more powerful? You cannot feel powerful because if when somebody asks you, who is your mother? And you tell them you don't have a mother, that's it right there. You lie. In Jesus' face. You lie. Your mother. Listen. Listen. Them have a saying to say, do good to your mother and your father, and your deals will be longer. If I were you see, me I'm 54 years old. I don't afraid to tell people my age. And I try to call my mother at least every day. Today, me not call her because me have some business I do. I try to talk to her at least every day. Because guess what? Any day name day, she left this earth before me, or if me left before her, we don't know which one I will go first. But let's say she go before me don't know how me go manage. Because me wouldn't have no more mother. And me wouldn't have nobody where to call and say, mama, mommy, or whatever name there is. Respect your mother, girl. Yanique Forter, you may talk. The lady where me talk to, Miss Tracy. When me talk to, brother, remember me tell him I want to talk to her every day. And Miss Tracy, if you are a listener, if you are watch this video, I soon call you back. Because I love talk to you, Miss Tracy. You're decent. You're a decent lady. My viewers and subscribers, while talking to Tracy, I'm telling you the truth. She never talked to me no. When she answered the phone, hello. She no answer the phone no way different. She answer, hello. And I said to her, I said, good evening, Miss Tracy. This is Rodney. Rodney from Rodney's Jamaica. Rodney's Lifestyle, not Jamaica. Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. And she, right away, she started to laugh. She started to get excited because she said, are you making music? You know, so the thing is, Miss Tracy is having a wonderful time because Miss Tracy feels good. Miss Tracy only need to hear her daughter said, Mommy, I apologize. And to be honest with you, if you can do that for your mother, the lady who carry you upon this earth for 9 months, 9 months she carry in her belly. And after she carry her for 9 months, she push you out where she could have lose her life. And after she push you out and she take you, carry you home, little small baby, she have it clean. You know what? Everything. Piss up, shit up, she have to up all night. And are you telling me that you cannot give that lady a small percentage of yourself? A small, do you realize some of these rich people, most, oh, hold on, let's use Beyonce. Don't you see Beyonce and her mother still have a relationship? Kim Kardashian and her mother still have a relationship? You don't have money like those people. And if you claiming that you're rich and you don't want to have any dialogue with your mother because she's poor, just think about Kim Kardashian and think about Beyonce and also think about I can't remember what those singer name I can't remember some of them name right now offhand. So at the same time, you have to remember that rich only comes because your mother brought you, bring you, carry you, piss you out on this earth. If your mother didn't give you the name Yanique Forter, you would have a different name. So that means there would be no Yanique Forter, there would be a different person. If your mother decided to tell the man to put on a condom, then you wouldn't be here. If your mother did say, me don't want to pitney about you, then you wouldn't be here. Respect the fact that your mother brought you on this earth called wood and water. When I talked to her yesterday, I feel so good. I talked to her, Miss Tracy. Guys, this is just a small video. Me just want to make this video. If you just make you know, say Miss Tracy said she alright. You know, she only sit down and wait and I look to see a little thing come across, say her, from her daughter, say, you know, she apologize and, you know, she doesn't want to hear that. If she want to hear her daughter say, I love your mommy, you know, that's all she wants. She don't want nothing more. She don't want no money, you know. And if she would want money, she spend her money. Not saying because she spend her money, she must give her back her money, but show her some love, show her some respect. That's all she wants. So guys, I'm going to try and see if I can bring on Miss Tracy on the channel one day. Very soon, I go talk to her and see if I can bring her on and make she talk to you guys and see what's going on. So hopefully, hopefully I can do a live with her. You know, where you guys can talk to her and ask her questions and all them things. But make we see if we can work it and try it. So stay tuned until we come back with some more story and Miss Tracy. Me have to call her Miss Tracy. Me respect her. Miss Tracy, me respect you. My viewers and subscribers, you don't know. Me they out here. And you know me I do the thing. Me I go on take care of the thing, me find the information and bring it to you. Me know some people may not like how me do things sometimes, but as I go, two brother, two different minds, seven brother, seven different minds. So again, now watch the face, watch the video, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and guys, check out the store. Shop and buy a few things on the store to help the channel. And guys, everything you do on the channel help me to push forward. See, because you don't know YouTube is a business. So again, support each other. That is what we need. I'm out. Bye bye.